Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to explain you how to customize the action button on your iPhone 17 Pro. So iPhone 17 Pro comes with action button that is designed to make your most used tasks faster and more accessible. So let's go step by step how to do that. Let's go to settings and scroll to option action button, and here you will see all the available options for customizing its behavior. So by default it's set to silent mode. So if I press this action button on the bottom side of my screen, you will see that I have entered silent mode, and now this silent mode is disabled. So it's set by default, but actually you have plenty of options that you can choose from. So let's go through them all. Of course, silent mode, I have previously mentioned that, and now you have focus mode. So let's exit this, and if I press this, I will see that I have my silent modes, so I can select which exactly I want to use. And now, as you can see here in the top left corner of my screen, you can see that my silent mode is enabled. And to turn this off, I have to again hold this action button and disable my do not disturb mode. Also the camera, so the process is absolutely the same. I hold and press this button and it opens my camera. The same with torch, so press and it will enable your torch on your iPhone. So the same with all those options. Also you have here control, so let's press choose a control, and here you can see plenty of options, so you can customize it for better experience, for better usage of your iPhone 17 Pro. So this might be useful for you very much. And the last no, not the last thing, okay, about controls, and now the shortcuts. So let's press choose a shortcut, and as well you can see here many shortcuts that you can choose. So explore that and choose the best one for you. So for example, you can select phone and call person, and I can select my contact. It's just for example how you can use that in practical terms. So for example, I want to I want to call this person. So if I hold this action button, okay, it should work, but I don't know what's the problem. Basically it should work like this. Oh, probably yes. So now you can see that if I hold this action button, you will see that I can I can call my contact, but here's some problem with my contact. But you should have everything all right. It's just the problem with my contact. And with some other applications, so let's go to I don't know, let's go to notes, for example, and I want to select new note. So now I will hold this, and as you can see, I have quick access to my notes. So yeah, that's very useful, and it could be very helpful for you. So check out those shortcuts. And also you have here accessibility, press choose a feature. Also here are many features to choose from, so I just cannot go into details because it will be very long video about to talk about all those options. So check out and discover which one will work out for you the best. And you can select no action if you don't want to have any options for this action button. So it's very useful, and I recommend you to customize your action button. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.